Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our single arched airline door today. All right, so we're on the Air9 single arch door today. This is a pretty simple door. Now, this is a 42 by 96 inch door that we're measuring. That we're showcasing. This is 42 inches from outside to outside, and then 96 inches from all the way to the top of the peak to the bottom of the threshold is the measurement. This door that we're actually using is oil rub bronze. 99% of our doors that have operable windows are all oil rub bronze colors in our stock. You can definitely order this door in different colors if you like. And you can also get this door with different glass types if you like also. This is a low E glass that we're using. This door has 1 by 1 inch pickets. These are hollow, but it's pretty rugged and very secure. It has a kick plate at the bottom. It also has the same kick plate is duplicated on the interior side of the door also. We do have this door in square top. We also have it in double doors and double arch and double flat and full arch, all the different variances also if needed. I'm pretty simple. There isn't too much to describe on this door, but let me flip this door around and show you guys what the other side looks like. All right, so we're on the back side of the Air9 door. Show you guys how the glass opens up. Twist the knobs, well, untwist the knobs and then flick it over, glass opens up. All our doors have a dual pane low E glass, which is 2 pieces of glass. Actually, not low E, I should rephrase that. If it's clear, our low E is a clear glass, but all of our doors have dual glazed tempered glass. They all have dual seals on the doors that glass opens. One seal here, one seal on the door itself. That allows it to have better seal, obviously. All of our doors have, this bottom part has a little bit of a slope. So if you have sideways rain or moisture or any kind of water hitting the door, it'll drain down and not stay or come inside the house. Just like a threshold or just like your shower. That's usually how you build stuff. But another feature we have is our doors have roller latches on the bottom, which could be adjusted. Okay, this allows you to have, not only does it save your lock, whatever lock you use, from the door flopping around because it's a heavy door, it has a lot of mass, but you can also add a metal iron handle if you like with a deadbolt on top, and it will give you blocking caps to cap these things off. What else? Oh, notice how clean our lock area places are. This is key on, because we laser cut all this stuff in, okay? That's pretty much it, guys. It's a pretty simple, awesome, secure, maintenance-free door. We also have little grease nipples on our doors, so you can grease up the hinges if needed over time. They are metal hinges with little copper crush washers inside, so you do have to lubricate them once in a while if it starts getting dungeony. If it starts to sound like a dungeon door, put some grease in it. You can get a grease pump from Amazon for like 10 bucks, 15 bucks. This is 2019, we're filming this. So probably in 2-3 years, it'll probably be a couple cents. Just the way things are going, so cheap. But that was not a very funny joke, but hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hi everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our Air9 single arch door today. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us 844-843-6677, or you can also put some comments down there and we'll try to help you out as best as possible. Thank you guys.